Moving on with the fundamental principles of counting, there's two different breakdowns that we have. The first is the multiplication principle, and that's sometimes called the AND principle. When you've got an AND situation, that's where you're going to multiply. So here, Becky chooses 3 suits and 5 blouses to take on a trip. Each one must be worn together. How many outfits can she take? So this one is going to be a straight up 3 times 5, which is 15. 15 different options for the different outfits. A company has 38 applicants for 2 sales positions, one in LA, one in Detroit. How many ways can the positions be filled simultaneously? Well, with this one, once the first position is filled by someone, that person can't fill the second position. So we've got the AND situation. We want to have one in LA and one in Detroit filled simultaneously. So for the first position that we fill, we've got 38 potential people. Then we move down to 37 potential people because the first person who goes to the first position can't be in the second position. So we've got 37 options left for that. So 38 times 37 is 1406. Number 3, there are 27 entries in a science fair, and how many ways can first prize, second prize, and honorable mention be awarded? Oh, there's the bell again. So with this, we cannot have repeated awards be given. So the person who wins first prize can't win second prize, can't win honorable mention. So the first person, when they are in the running for first place, there's all 27 entries. But then for second prize, we only have 26 options because the person who went first can't win second. And then finally, honorable mention, there's only 25 options because the people who went first and second can't win honorable mention. So with that, we've got 17,550 different ways that we can award first, second, and honorable mention. The second way we can do some counting is with the addition principle. I spelled addition wrong. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition principle, which is the OR principle. So these things don't have to happen at the same time. So here, a family chooses a vacation site. They've narrowed their choices to ski resorts or dude ranches. How many choices do they have if they can vacation at a ski ranch or a dude ranch? Can't do both at the same time. Well, 4 ski resorts plus 6 dude ranches is 10 options total. The last piece of the fundamental counting principle is when you deal with replacement and without replacement. And the different ways you can count occur with replacement or without replacement. So my first example is with replacement, meaning whatever object that I count with, it gets put back into the mix. So here we've got a bag, 6 balls numbered 1 through 6. A ball is drawn from the bag, its number recorded, and then placed back into the bag. That is the with replacement piece. A second ball is drawn and its number is recorded. How many different ways can a total sum of 8 be obtained from 2 balls that are drawn? Well, let's look at this. We can say we've got 2, 6. We've got 3, 5. We've got 4, 4. We've got 5, 3. And we've got 6, 2. Here, since we're putting the ball back in, there is an order to what I do. So the fact that I pull out 2, put it back in, shake it up, pull out 6, is different than if I have a 6, shake it up, pull out a 2. So here, there are 5 ways that I can pull out the balls. If I look at the idea without replacement, in other words, I don't put the balls back in, the only one that's different is the fact that I can't pull out 4 and 4. So I still have 3, 5, I still have 5, 3, I have 2, 6, and I have 6, 2. So there are 4 different ways that I can pull out the ball.